What's up guys, hope you're doing fine. This is your Big Daddy Rocks and welcome again for another video, and today we'll be featuring Ibabaw Mountain Resort. Ibabaw Mountain Resort is located at Santa Cruz, Liloan, Cebu. Upon entering the resort, you can see some guidelines, and for more info, you can visit their Facebook page. And if you're looking for something to eat, their restaurant is open and their friendly staff will be there to serve you. At the bar, you can order some drinks and some cocktails. We've decided to try out their bangsilog and their Italian-style pizza, and it was delicious. Walk-in guests could rent out their big cabana for 1,000 pesos. They also have some cute teepee hats for 1,200 pesos. Their pool is available from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. And now it's time to hear our shoutouts. Salamat sa kaon, Big Daddy Rocks from Nathaniel Antudihao. No problem, Nathaniel. Ikaw na pud sunod. Yummy foods, thank you, Big Daddy Rocks from Agnes in Kulan. Shout out to you, Agnes. Thank you for supporting our channel. Good to see you all there. Shout out to all mothers out there, especially Mama Linda, also known as Lola Bess. Thank you for everything, Ma, and we love you always. From Nilknarp Singkulan. Shout out to you all. I know Lola Bess and all the mothers are happily celebrating Mother's Day with us. Love the foods, Big Daddy Rocks from Grocery Balangkit. Thank you, Mommy, for always supporting our channel. If you want to be mentioned in the next video, please comment down below. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. So, bye for now and see you again on our next video.